Landoll Corporation had its humble beginnings in 1963 when Don Landoll and his business partner of 3 years purchased Quick Service Welding in Marysville, Kansas. Since then, Landoll has grown to be a leader in innovative design, world-class manufacturing, and marketing of quality products for the agriculture, transportation, material handling, OEM, and government industries. The Landoll entrepreneurial spirit continues today with guiding business principles that include diversification, vertical integration, and customer satisfaction, and have led to our substantial growth over the years. Step back to 1969 in a small welding shop in Marysville, Kansas. Don Landoll always says you need to generate, recognize, and take advantage of opportunities, which is exactly what he did when farm equipment dealers were having issues loading tractors and combines. So he designed, patented, and built the first traveling axle trailer. The traveling axle has become the go-to transport trailer for many industries. The tilt bed and traveling undercarriage gives the operator a faster, easier, and safer way to ground load various types of equipment. Landoll Corporation's innovative trailer solutions directly impact the paving industry with a detachable series of Lowboy trailers. These trailers are designed to make your driver's job safer, simpler, and more productive. The Landoll patented neck has a single hydraulic function. The neck operation is one hydraulic lever which fully detaches and carries the neck away from the lower deck. Reconnecting is just as easy. Back up and the alignment wedges center the neck, then the A-frame load carrier relocks the lower deck and lifts the trailer into transport position. Choose one of 7 ride heights to adjust to the proper transport position. At Landoll, we know drivers need flexibility while loading. With bigger equipment, it's necessary to make loading onto the lower deck trouble-free. From a clean assist ramp for larger equipment to the fully hydraulic power ramp for loading forklift, pavers, and rollers, Landoll gives you the ability to load just about anything just inches from the ground. The Lowboy family includes both a 2-axle 35-ton capacity and a 3-axle 55-ton capacity trailer. Landoll first introduced the Model 400 traveling axle trailer in 2002. This entirely new frame design moved the tilt cylinders outboard of the main frame and the tilt to the lower deck, making this trailer extremely stable while loading wide loads. It allows the triple axle undercarriage to transition forward for a low 6.5-degree loading angle. Landoll Corporation's innovation continues today with the introduction of the 3rd generation, the 400B series. Equipped with a much improved hydraulic operating system and a high visibility LED lighting package, the new 400B series trailer is now better than ever. The 400's flat approach plate and low load angles take the worry out of loading low clearance equipment directly from the ground to the trailer. Loading to the upper deck is just as easy. The transition angle from the lower to the upper deck is softened to improve loading even the lowest of equipment to the upper deck. The all-new hydraulic operating system increases axle travel speeds by an average of 47%, and the tilt deck speed has improved by 63%. Combined with a 66% increase in winch speed, the overall hydraulic operational time has been cut in half. The Model 440B is a tandem axle 40-ton, or the Model 455B is a 3-axle 55-ton trailer frame, and both are available in lengths of 48 feet, 53 feet, and a California legal 50-foot model. The 400B series is built tough with a rugged 4-beam frame and a wider suspension placement under the 102-inch wide deck. These trailers come with your choice of a 12,000, 20,000, or the heavy-duty 30,000-pound winch. The Apatong hardwood decking, air ride suspension, dual toolboxes, and Grow LED lighting are all standard equipment. Landoll has added a centralized grease system that simplifies trailer maintenance and a durable powder coat finish on the entire trailer frame. Over 20 years ago, Landoll recognized a challenge that our customers had been dealing with, the new salt brines being used by state transportation departments. Again, Landoll pushed for a better solution to protect the customer's investment. Landoll took a 2-point approach to the problem. We made improvements to the painting process and then sought the ultimate in rust prevention. Landoll developed a powder coat painting system for full-size semi-trailers in 2005. This electrostatic paint process places polyester coatings on the frame, which is cure-baked in 1200-degree ovens. While collaborating with the premier paint manufacturer Diamond Vogel, Landoll was instrumental in developing the first-ever zinc-rich powder primer. Landoll uses a 4-stage painting process. Stage 1 begins back in production, where component parts are shot blasted before they are welded onto the main frames. Stage 2 takes the full trailer weldment into a large shot blast booth to complete the blasting process. This two-step blasting creates a superior paint surface called white metal. Stage 3 is in the powder booth where the trailers enter from a top opening door. The zinc-rich powder coating is applied to the white metal frame. Rollover jigs allow applicators to reach every surface of the frame, top, bottom, inside, and out. The frame is transferred into the cure oven to bond the primer to the surface. This initial oven stage anchors the primer to the frame. In Stage 4, the frame returns to the powder booth for the application of color powder paint. Landoll offers 8 custom paint colors to match your fleet colors. The last trip into the cure oven exceeds 120 minutes, bringing the frame to 370 degrees for a fully cured paint coating. Now for Landoll Corporation's second point of attack to help customers who are losing their investment to rust. Don Landoll, growing up on a small farm in northeast Kansas, knew that windmills were galvanized and have lasted for generations with no rust. Mr. Landoll, using what he knew to figure out what he didn't, took him to a modern process known as hot dip galvanizing in 2003. Since then, thousands of Landoll trailers have been hot dip galvanized. Landoll custom designs each trailer frame to go through a 5-tank dip process. The final dip is into a large tank where the frame is totally submerged in molten zinc. This zinc trailer frame becomes the ultimate answer that wins the fight against rust. Trailer frames 10 years old show no signs of rust. Landoll began collaborating with Grody Industries, the premier manufacturers of lighting and wiring harnesses. An opportunity to increase driver safety with the use of safety lights was recognized. New LED diode maker lights maximize the luminous output with up to 22 lights on every trailer. The rear-facing DOT lights have also been enhanced by adding the 4th tail turn light to the mud flap bracket. This high-visibility light package has substantially increased awareness and is standard equipment on all 400 and 800 series trailers. Get the most from your equipment, work safely at night, and get the highest return on your investment from the world leader in equipment trailers, Landoll. They won't cost you anything, they make you money.